Even basements that do not have or no longer have groundwater seepage will have that damp smell and that damp feeling so often associated with basement space. This is because of water vapor diffusing through your basement floor and through your basement walls, and from warm, humid air in the summertime coming into the basement causing condensation. This dampness in basements causes damage to your stored items, causes mold to grow, and makes your basement smell. The SaniDry Sedona high-performance basement air system is the answer. The Sedona is designed to provide uncompromised indoor air quality with particulate filtration and humidity control in a single unit. The SaniDry Sedona basement air system will remove up to 100 pints of water per day out of your basement air, which dries your basement like nothing you've ever seen. The powerful blower inside the unit blows all the dry air out into and around your basement space, which dries the building materials, dries the contents of your basement, and makes that damp smell and that damp feeling go away. The SaniDry Sedona also has a dual-stage, high-efficiency air filtration system, which takes particles out of your basement air down to an incredible 2 microns in size, which includes all mold spores, and all while operating at a very energy-efficient 5.6 amps. In fact, the SaniDry Sedona is not only Energy Star rated, but it's the most efficient, high-performance dehumidifier in the world without a big bulky heat exchange cord. With the SaniDry Sedona, you won't believe how dry your basement